Unit 2 exam free response. Corrections. We'll start with question 1A that I missed. The student investigating the relationship between the absolute pressure in a fluid and the depth traveled below the surface of the fluid. His hypothesis is the depth increases pressure because as the fluid gets deeper because the particles get closer together, which increases the collision. Is he correct about his prediction of the relationship? Yes, he is correct that pressure increases in proportion to depth measured from the surface because of the increasing weight of fluid exerting downward from above. However, I did not justify, as you can see, why. So, this is a simple pressure equation where pressure equals density times gravity times height. So, question 1A, part 2. For this one, I had the same model and the same explanation. However, I did not put a physical equation right here. No, is he correct about the reason for his prediction? No, he is not correct. Pressure increases with depth because of hydrostatic pressure. The absolute pressure equals density, pressure equals rho GH. Pressure exerted by a fluid at equilibrium at any given point within the fluid is due to the force of gravity, increasing weight of fluid exerting downward. Question 1B. I missed a point because I did not draw a straight line, as you can see. However, in this one, I have a more straight line, more straight regression. Question 1D. Use a curve to find the density of the fluid. For this one, I simply guess. I don't know what I put. However, after looking back at it, you can use the slope of the curve to find the density, where slope equals the average density. M equals delta y over delta x. As you can see, these are 2 points modeled on the graph. We're 50 to 103, and then 24 and 50. As you can see, it comes out to 2.038. However, convert that back to absolute pressure over the depth, and you get 2,038 kilograms per meter cubed. I forgot to try this method. That is why I got the answer wrong, and that is why I got my answer wrong for part E2. I had the right selection, however, you do not need this part of the answer in the question. I should have included the slope of the graph would decrease if we were to place the fluid with water, because water is less dense than this fluid. Water has 1,000 kp over meters cubed, or water has more absolute pressure, and I'm saying this wrong. Water has less pressure than the fluid because 1 atmospheric pressure is about 100 for water at 0 meters, and then it's as simple as that the slope of the graph would decrease because water is less dense than this object. That is it for the free response. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great and wonderful day.